Hi guys, today's our topic is about Bitcoin in Australia. Means how to buy Bitcoin in Australia. There has been a lot of hype about Bitcoin, and if it's liquid your insert, you might be wondering how on earth to start trading in the digital currency. Here is a roundup from Canster on how to buy Bitcoins in Australia. To help give you more of an understanding, below is the breakdown of what Bitcoin is and a step by step guide to buying and using it in Australia. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is decentralized digital currency, the first of its kind in the world. Bitcoin was invented by Satoshi back in 2009. While Bitcoin acts as a medium of exchange, store of value, and unit of account, but is not issued under the authority of any government body. You can learn more about the tax treatment of cryptocurrency in Australia from the ATO. Every Bitcoin transaction is made on a peer to peer network online, and there is no server or central authority that need to check first with the bank before clearing a transaction. The decentralized verification process creates the potential for banks to transfer funds to each other faster and at a lower cost than traditional methods. Currently, international money transfer can come with relevantly high fees and higher exchange rate to cover the cost of the bank involved. Blockchain, the technology behind bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, is basically a leader of who own which bitcoins. Every transaction made with the bitcoins is sent to the decentralized network and mined into the blockchain. And if you own bitcoins, you can own the digital keys to unlock the spend those funds. Unlike traditional currencies, there are an increasing number of places accepting bitcoins as payment in Australia and all over the world. But considering the youth of this currency and the uncertainty about how it operates and the risk factors involved, it's considered to be highly violate. The federal government Financial Intelligence Agency, Australian Transaction Report and Analysis Center has been given power to police digital currency exchange like the one mentioned below. The Australian Securities and Investment Commission has been a strong advocate for regulating the industry for some time. Due to the risk of serious and organized crime groups exploiting the system, it is unclear at the stage what this change could mean for exchange accessibility and merchant fees. How to get bitcoins in Australia? Many people are probably put off by the high price of a single bitcoin when considering whatever they should invest their money in this emerging digital currency. But did you know bitcoins are divisible by up to 8 decimal points, meaning you have the option to buy only a fraction of a bitcoin. There are a few ways you can buy bitcoins in Australia. Here are some of the main ones. Number 1, buy bitcoin from a bitcoin exchange. Bitcoin exchanges are available all over the world and allow you to trade digital currencies like bitcoin for other assets such as conventional money or another digital currency. If you do decide to trade on a Bitcoin exchange, it's good idea to be aware of changes from the exchange merchant for the cost of their services. Some of the main Bitcoin exchange in Australia includes the below. Australian Bitcoin Exchange, May 2021. The table below display some of our referral partners Bitcoin exchange. The display order does not reflect any ranking or rating by Canster. The table does not include all providers in the market. Canster will earn a fee from the provider displayed in the table. The fees level determine placement in the table. Canster may also earn a fee for referral from a table. Such a fee vary between providers. Here are the main providers and the rates of bitcoins and in the table below. This information is an endorsement by Canster of cryptocurrency or any specific provider. Canster is providing functional information supplied by providers. Cryptocurrencies are speculative, complex, and involve significant risk. Canster is not providing a recommendation for your individual circumstances or in relation to any particular product or provider. Number two, receive bitcoins for goods and services. Any business or individual can choose to accept bitcoins as payment if you have a Bitcoin digital wallet to store the currency. A Bitcoin wallet can be downloaded from the Apple or Google Play Store, and you will need to decide how you would like to accept the payments. Some ways of accepting payments include QR codes, which can be scanned using a smartphone and granted in the Bitcoin digital wallet, payment processing system online that can automatically convert digital currency like Bitcoin into a traditional currency like Australian dollar. Custom point of sale terminals in store that integrate with your existing sale register. Mine your own bitcoins. Mining is basically a technical terms for finding new unreleased bitcoins. It's the process of verifying bitcoin transactions across many different networks, with all transactions gathered into boxes with virtual padlocks. It's the miner's job to find the key to open the padlocks by running certain software. When they find the key, they can earn new, never before discovered Bitcoin as reward. While popular as Bitcoin countries to expand, the option of mining is now probably limited to bigger centralized miners with a big budget. This is because you would need to power off a big computer network that can be built up upon just to earn the rewards. In this early days, so it was pretty popular. Thank you so much for watching videos.